Hamtech, welcome back to my GoPro 13 videos. I found this on AliExpress for £18. It's a smart remote control and it actually works on GoPro 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So let's test it. We're going to turn this round, get this out of the package and connect them up and see what it does. So there is a carry sort of wrist strap, and these are designed to be strapped to your bicycle and your motorcycle, all that kind of thing. There is a GoPro version which is recommended. It's quite good, but that's £70. This was 18, so I think that does make quite a big difference. Depending on what your budget is, but there it is there. It doesn't have your typical USB-C charging, which I would say is probably the only downside to it. But first impressions, very nice. Yeah, feels nice in the hand. Got that rubbery. It is water resistant. I wonder if there's any power in it. Oh, there is. Look, it says remote, 35% power, and it goes straight into pairing mode. Let me just quickly show you the carry strap that comes with it, and then we'll have a go at pairing it. They're just a basic Velcro type carry strap. And where's the Velcro? Oh, look, it goes through. Yeah, you can see you feed it through the back end there. And then your charging cable, I'll keep the box so I don't lose this charging cable. It's magnetic and it just magnetically goes onto the back. And let's just quickly connect that, see what it does. See if we get an LED light up when it's charging. So it's trying to pair, and then we just put this here. Yeah, I think it goes a green color. Anyway, nice and straightforward, so don't lose your cable. So it's in pairing mode. Let's turn the GoPro around. There are instructions in there as well. So we just flip it like so. And right, so let's go down and then across. And preferences, wireless connections, and where is it? Connections are on. It actually worked so quick. I didn't have time to video it, so we're going to do it again. But yeah, it worked really well. Quite pleased about that. Let's just zoom in a bit more. So all we did was swipe down. We didn't have to go into settings. We just went here, paired. And let's see if we can remove it. Will it let me remove it? It won't let me remove it now. Let me see if we can get rid of it. Preferences, wireless connections, reset connections, reset all, sod it. I mean, let's just start from scratch. Let it reset. So it flashes, you go down, go like so, pair device. Then you go into here, like so, press menu, and then it says pair. Then I pressed the shutter, and it just paired. It literally, and that's it. Tick. So we're already connected. Watch this. I'll turn it off. Watch this. Turn it off. Come on. Look at that. And now if we turn it on, I don't think it will turn on the device because it doesn't have sleep mode, does it? Oh, wow. It did. And let's just hit the record button here. It's now recording. Remember, I've literally never used this. You've got the favorites button here. It's not touchscreen, is it? No. I'm just hitting the burst slow mode. Video. I'm just cycling through. Let's briefly press that. Brief press is mode. Photo. Time warp. Video. Photo. Go into settings. That's doing the same thing. I mean, that's it really. I mean, yeah. Give it a go. It's giving you information of what you're up to. Thanks for watching. Thought I'd show you that. Bye for now.